We're trying to get out of this town. Mike wanted to go to the red light district. We said no. Look at the beads. Last night was Mardi Gras. Thank God it's not tonight.
Bus is turning.
We
accidentally got down on Bourbon Street.
Mike wanted to go into Men Prettier Than Girls, and we told him, no, we can't do that.
Again.
No, Mike was our
You can't go again, or you told me again.
This is Captain John. He knows this place pretty well, don't you?
One under every bush. I don't know where every bush is.
And we're out. How do you call it? We say Buras. Is that the name of this place?
Buras. B-U-R-E-S. Buras.
Buras.
It's the lower end of Plaquemines Parish.
And this
The only mention in the whole history of the town of Buras was in 2005 when Katrina made landfall in a small, tiny Plaquemines Parish town called Buras.
And it wiped it off the face of the earth, huh?
The face of the earth, and we are building back since then. That was 3.5 years ago. And even though all the land's been deteriorating, we still have the best fishery in the whole entire United States is right here, the mouth of the Mississippi River. What we're fishing here is the backwaters off the river, the bays. They're all still saltwater, but they're backwaters. Everywhere I'm fishing, if you fall out of the boat, you just stand up. We come back and get you. No rough water. We're on our first trot bite of the year. And my buddy here with the camera has got a magnum big bull red already to his name.
Woohoo!
First fish we caught today. So things are looking up.
Mike's got a new hat for this trip.
Place from Mexico.
Straight up.
Oh, shoot, you're
Hey, but that's a big drum. That's a big drum. We got a sheep head in the bottom of the boat.
We'll catch a drum for you.
You don't eat those?
No.
Same as Rick. It's the same. When you go in the river.
Show it to the camera. Sideways. There we go, Walter. Woohoo!
Pull.
I've got to go around.
Reel back. Pull, then reel back.
Go around the motor.
Oh my God!
What do you got there, Johnny?
Stand up on the deck. Stand on the deck. Oh, that's good.
This is what we're here for, to catch fish.
Up and in. Don't grab the rod. Don't grab the rod.
Holy crap! That's a big crap.
He's been fighting this thing for 35 minutes.
Melissa.
All
right, there you go.
All right.
Perfect. Yeah, he's too big.
He's too big, ain't he?
Too big. Yeah, I thought he was smaller than that. My bad.
I gotta move back. Them things are so stinking big.
Whee!
So you said this one's for Melissa?
That's for Melissa.
All right, that's good.
Woohoo!
Excuse me, Mike.
Shrimp.
Thank cricket.
Look at that thing pull.
Bill.
There you go. Get me another handful.
He's gonna go around that pole.
He's way over there. Turn.
Okay, it's all right.
You show him who's boss, man. You show him who's boss.
Probably
When he
about-
comes this time, I want you to pick straight up. Pick straight up now.
Woohoo! Yeah!
That one might work, don't you think?
It and will work.
That's a keeper, buddy.
All right.
Yeah! You got the first keeper today.
No.
Oh, second. I'm sorry. I didn't mean. I apologize, man.
Man, that was a fight.
Is that a fight?
That is a fight, man. Daggum.
With one hand, across both hands.
Yeah. Now, well, let me take a picture with your camera.
Well, here, look here. And out toward the camera.
That's it right there,
Yes,
buddy.
sir.
Now drop him a little bit titty high? Yeah, there you go.
Start coming. When he comes up, you start coming up. Good job, John. Good job.
He's getting closer, Walt.
Pick up.
Oh, he ran!
Buddy.
Yeah, he's tired now.
Straight up, straight up, straight up.
Woohoo!
Yeehaw!
Thank you, Walter.
You bet.
Perfect.
That is a nice fish, buddy. You like red fishing?
I like red fishing.
Okay, let me take.
Keep it right there.
Show that turd who's boss. Woohoo! Way to go, Walt!
This is 26. Is that a keeper?
Yes, sir.
It's legal. Show them up. Mike, move your hat. Move your hat. All right.
And you know I'm setting the hook. But I don't set the hook anyway.
Nor do we anymore.
Huh?
Sure.
Sucker spot now, don't they?
Oh, they did.
Mike's right one.
I'm recording you.
Woohoo!
Look at that baby.
This should be one of y'all here. Well, here. Let me.
That's some nice fish. Hold them up same way, guys. Face, John. Okay, that's good. Little triangle thing. Looks nice. So, Johnny, hold yours up.
Might get some fog in it.
Oh my gosh, that is a big one, boy. He's just sluggish. Don't pull too hard. I mean, just.
Come on.
I'm trying. I can't get.
Don't pull too hard. I mean, just.
Come on.
I'm trying. I can't get him to turn his dumb head around. He wants to go the other direction.
Well, he's not moving. He's on the side of the boat now. The wind's pulling him.
Come on.
I'm trying. I can't get him to turn his dumb head around. He wants to go the other direction.
Well, he's not moving. He's on the side of the boat now. The wind's pulling him. See, the wind's taking up all that distance. He's not. He's not moving.
Oh, you did it. You did it. You turned him.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on, pull. Oh, 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 let me see your head, big son of a bitch.
Oh, he's in there.
I got you, you big sucker. Look at the thing lock.
All right.
See how long it is.
Man, that scared the mess out of me.
At the same time. Now,
That is huge.
hold on, I'm landing one. I'm hung up sideways.
Move your pole down.
30-pound range there.
That is, oh
That's
my
in the 30
God.
pound range right there.
One more. Smooth drag.
This is Randy.
You lose that fish, you ain't got one in the dang boat. Head up this way, guys. Look. See this?
Pig too.
Here.
Yep.
This is a male. He's croaking. Get my camera out.
First fish of the day, stingray.
Pull him up. Let me see him. Oh, yeah. He ate it too, buddy. Reach down there and grab him, okay?